Hi, it's Cheryl, and I just wanted to make this little video to introduce you to my newest seamless pattern brushes for Procreate. So I'm just going to take you quickly through a test drive of what these brushes are all about. If you come into Procreate, I'm going to shut this layer off. The brushes are the Sweet Figs abstract pattern brushes. There are 45 of them. And they are all seamless brushes that you can use for your illustrations. They are easy to scale and resize, as you can see, by just on the fly using this size adjustment, brush size adjustment, up or down. You can increase the size as you're doing your work. I'm just going to go through a couple more of these just to show you. And what I might do is just speed up the video and stop talking. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy them.